SmartGlass application is going to be available as a free download this holiday season. We're demonstrating it on our Windows Phone and our Windows tablet today. So as an application, what you'll do is you'll click into the tile here, and it's going to pull up all the menu of activities that are available to you as it's connecting and authenticating right now. So the first one that I'm going to show you is a send. You might have saw this or heard about it yesterday in the briefing. And this is enhancing your gameplay essentially. So I'm going to click in here. It gives me an overview of the game, various activities. I'm going to click on the Send Oracle. And that's going to pull up a map. And it's in a listening mode right now, which essentially is just kind of determining where I am in the game and what's happening. So I'm going to start the game. And I'm going to take you through, and then what I want you to do is kind of keep your eye on the screen. I'm going to pull up this map. So as you see, it's pulled the map up here. And I'm a blue dot right here. And what it's going to do is track me as I run through this map and guide me what I want to see and where I want to go. It'll take me to show me where treasures are. It'll show me where the enemy is, how I navigate through all of that. So I'm going to try and move through this level relatively quickly so you can see what happens when I get out on the other side. And I'm just going to hit my A button to kind of move through a little bit more quickly in the interest of time. But again, you can watch that and it shows me where I'm going. Oh, no, that's not good. I can't play and watch at the same time. Alright, so I want to go over this way here. Woo! Sorry if my navigation makes you a little nauseous. Am I almost there? Okay. Okay, yeah. So I'm ending the segment of this map. And as I come out, it should be going into a listening mode any minute now, any second here. So it's back in its listening mode. It's figuring out where I am and what's going on. I keep moving through here. And then as I check out a little bit more, you see that the game boss is there. And what it's done is it's pulled up a dossier on the boss here. It's giving me information that I can use to play against him, or how I can advance against him there as well. So you can imagine the possibilities for games and what's available and things like that as well. So I'm going to exit out of the game. And then I'm going to move over and show you some of the video playback of the different things that we have. I'm going to go back to my menu, and I'm going to scroll through, and I'm going to pull up Paramount. Click on OK. It's immediately transferring over, and just to kind of show you the different interactivity between the different devices, I'm going to pull up my SmartGlass on my tablet here. It's switching over and telling me, oh, you're in Paramount Movies. My phone touchpad basically becomes my tracking pad that I can navigate through this experience. So I can go and play True Grit if I want, and just kind of move over through that. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to play School of Rock. So I'm going to tap again. It's going to pull up School of Rock. I'm going to say watch now. Choose watch now. So on my tablet here, it's going to pull up School of Rock. It knows that I'm watching School of Rock right now. I want to go in and have a little bit more of an in-depth experience around School of Rock, so I'm going to click on that. So it pulls up all different things about School of Rock. There's different activities that are built into this application, more related content and stuff like that as well. So I like this Who's on Scene. Just click on that. Based on who's appearing in the scene, based on an algorithm, it's tracking who's in and out of the scene, what characters, what actors are in there. I like Jack Black. I want to get more information about him to see what's going on, so I'm gonna choose him. I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth. So it's got a bio on Jack, all the different things I can click on, see what different films he's appeared in. Say I want to see what different scenes he's in more information. I want to go see where he is. So these are all the scenes for which this particular character appears in. Now obviously Jack is a hero and he's a hero of this movie, so he's going to be in a lot of scenes. But there's this particular one scene that I was interested in, I wanted to see. Alright, there it is. I'm going to click on that. It instantly takes me back to that scene, like that, right? So I can play this and I can move track it back and forth throughout all of that. So this is a kit that's going to be made available to the partners. They'll build their own experiences, and so it depends on the partners on what that experience will be, how robust it is or what it is, but it's going to be theirs to build for your engagement activity. Capabilities of Xbox SmartGlass that we were showing is the Internet Explorer capability. So you'll have to forgive me, my fingers don't always work on my touchpads. I don't know what it is. I haven't quite figured that out. But I'm going to click on Internet Explorer. And what's awesome to me about this is a device that I'm already using. I know how to use for all my texting, my internet, everything. Like I'm already doing it. I don't need the plucky controller. I don't need a keyboard and things like that. That stuff, Mark said it great yesterday in the keynote, like, that doesn't belong in the living room. This is something I'm already using, I'm already doing it while I'm watching or playing. So this becomes my tracking pad, right? And then I can come in here and I can scroll through. These are web pages I've already looked at. I'm going to choose to go to the Xbox site. Just tap on that. It pulls up xbox.com. And then through my tracking pad here, I can just kind of move about. Again, my fingers don't want to cooperate. I can scroll down. Oops. Scroll up. Should be able to zoom in just by pinching. So it's a great, easy experience. It's not clunky. You can get to anywhere you want. You have a keypad on here that you're already using to text with to go to URLs and all that kind of stuff. That's a good question that I don't know the answer to. I'm sorry.
What besides just the Windows Phone and the Windows 8 tablet, what other platforms will Smart Touch be for?
So SmartGlass is going to be available on devices that you already own, right? It'll be available on different platforms as well. So any device that you own today, if you can download the application, it'll be available to you. So one of the other things that we were talking about was solitaire, right? So this is your pick up and play, asynchronous. So I can go into my games. I'm going to choose solitaire. It's going to pull it up, pull up a new game. So I'm playing playing solitaire, one of the most popular played games. I'm going to come in here and make a couple of moves. Remove that there. Go over here. Do this. Alright, so flight attendant comes over and she's like, you gotta turn off your device, right? So I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna come over to my tablet and I'm gonna pull up. We're playing the Klondike version. I'm gonna pull that up. And if everything's working, it's picked up exactly where I've left off, right? So I can just start playing immediately on my tablet. I can play here, do a couple more moves here, and just continue playing. So it's a nice opportunity to show you how we have games available that will be asynchronous. You can pick them up and play anytime, any place.